So mean step deviation method over. Now missing frequency, single missing frequency. So in the frequency column, one frequency will be missing here, and they will give you the mean. See, the mean of the following data is 18. Find the missing frequency x. So this problem we can do by direct method also, but if you go for step deviation method, it will be very easy. So first you look at the data is continuous, you see. So happy, if the data is continuous, very minimum calculations will be there. Now first column to be opened is mid x, am I right? Mid x. So 11 and 13, 11 plus 13, 24 by 2, 12. Now can you imagine 13 and 15, the mid value is 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. The next column you have to open D, that is xi minus a. That means in the mid x column you have to assume one value as assumed mean and then keep subtracting. I told you the technique that the middle value you assume as a, your calculations will be easy. But in case of missing frequency, please remember again I am telling you, in case of missing frequency, don't go for the mid value as a. Take the mid x value opposite to the missing frequency, opposite to the missing frequency as a. This will give you the more easier calculations. Please remember not to go for the mid value as a. Any value you can take. For easier calculations, I told you mid value. That is in normal case. But here in the case of missing frequency, please remember the mid x value opposite, straight opposite to the missing frequency. You please take it as a. Next keep subtracting. 12 minus 20 minus 8 minus 6 minus 4 minus 2. Now 0, 2, 4. Let them more the minus values, don't worry, because you please remember again and again I am telling the mid x value opposite to the missing frequency should be taken as a for better and easier calculations. Now you go for u value, u column. I told you to remember the number line. 0 opposite 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here 1, 2. Very simple. Now I told you for u, fu column. Now the values of f and u should be multiplied. See here, 7 into minus 4 minus 28. 6 into minus 3 minus 18. 9 into minus 2 minus 18. 13 into minus 1 minus 13. X into 0, 0. Now you understand the logic why I told you. See, the x become nullified here. 5 into 1, 5. 4 into 2, 8. Now you go for sigma f. See here, please pay attention. 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 9, so 20, 19 plus 3, 22, 25, 35, 40, 44 and this x. So your sigma f will be 44 plus x. Now I told you to calculate sigma fu separately like this. Sigma fu you see, minus 28, minus 18, minus 18, minus 13, plus 0, plus 5 plus 8. Now you see here 5 and 8 will give you 13 and this minus 13 can be nullified. You agree for this? Now you are left with these three values only. Minus 28 and minus 18 minus 36. Your answer will be 8 plus 6 4, 4 plus 2 6. So minus 64. Now I'll go for the formula mean equal to a plus sigma fu by sigma f into h. Mean is given here. See here, mean is how much? 18. So you put 18. What is your assumed mean? 20 plus sigma fu you got as minus 64 by sigma f is 44 plus x into h. Size of the class, you see the size is uniform here and the data is continuous. You take any class into 13 minus 11, 15 minus 13, 17 minus 7, 15. So h is very clearly 2. So I will do now here 2. Now this 20 is having a plus sign. Let it be sent here. 18 plus 20 will come this side and minus 20. 18 minus 20 will be minus 2 is equal to plus of minus 64 by 44 plus x into 2. You see here this 2 is multiplying here. Am I right or not? Now if I will send that side, it will divide. So 2 by 2 will be cancelled. 1, 1. Now you are left with, see here I will continue here, minus 1 is equal to minus 64. 2 got cancelled. Here you are left with 44 plus x. Both sides are having minus. You multiply with the minus 1, it will become plus. So 1 is equal to 64 by 44 plus x. Now you see here carefully. This 44 plus x I will take this side. 1 into this fellow will be 44 plus x only. Now 44 plus x is equal to 64 implies. Now when you take 44 that side, 64 minus 44, x will be 20. So the missing frequency is 20. Now what you do this problem 2-3 times repeatedly and learn it. Now you take some other values as missing frequency, put x is equal to 20 and do that problem. There also you please remember the value opposite, mid-x opposite to the missing frequency, you take it as A. Am I clear? Otherwise I will only give you problem for practice. Okay, thank you. Fine.